Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to use Dify to build AI apps. Dify is a no-code and low-code AI development platform that lets you build AI chatbots, assistants, workflows, and applications using large language models. You can connect your own AI model, upload knowledge documents, and deploy your app without writing much code. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Dify website. Sign into your account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create App, choose the type of AI application you want to build, such as a chatbot, workflow agent, or text generator. Give your application a name, then click Create. Now select the AI model you want to use. Depending on your account, you can connect providers such as OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or another supported model. If required, enter your API key to connect the model. Next, customize your AI assistant by adding a system prompt that explains how you want it to respond. If you want your AI to answer questions from your own documents, open the Knowledge section. Upload your files such as PDF documents, Word files, text files, or other supported for wait for Dify to process and index your documents. Now return to your application and connect the knowledge base to your AI app. You can also add workflow steps, variables, and integrations if you want your app to perform more advanced tasks. Click Preview or Test to chat with your AI and make sure it's working as expected. If you need to make changes, update the prompt, settings, or knowledge base, then test the app again. Once you're satisfied with the results, click Publish or Deploy. You can now share your AI app using its public link or integrate it into your website using the provided API or embed options. Finally, continue improving your application by updating its knowledge base, refining the prompts, and monitoring user interactions to make your AI more accurate over time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.